every 2 weeks. I just like the fact that we get organic vegetables for about 15 or 20 bucks a week, depending on if I have an add-on. We get a lot of really good produce. By the way, this is not sponsored at all. Not sponsored. I just really like it. So I wanted to show you if the beast would move. Move, baby. He gets excited for the box too. I decided to get something a little different. So here's some tomatoes because I eat these like candy. One of them's going to be gone by the end of the day. Let me move some stuff around. Parsley. I thought that would be something fresh to add on to stuff. Oh, we got a cute little carrot.
Oh.
I got some loose carrots. There's a whole lot more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bag them up and put them in certain things and pre-cut them and everything. I got lots of peppers. My husband really likes peppers. So
yes, I do.
He'll snack on these with peanut butter by themselves. I'll probably end up cutting a couple of them today. Look how big, man.
These are massive.
Holy crap.
That's a King Kong pepper right there.
It's heavy. Yeah, look. Yeah. Let's see. I'm sorry. Okay, so I know that like the 3, I think, is the female and the 4 is the male.
Something like that.
Totally random. Beast, get out of there.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Look at how many peppers.
It's a lot of peppers.
I get their biggest box though because it lasts us 2 weeks, and sometimes we have carryover like we do today.
Got some cucumbers, it looks
Zucchini.
like. Or zucchini, my bad.
Lots of fruit. I picked 2 kinds of apples this time. We eat apples like crazy. I got some fennel root. We've had it before on with octopus and stuff, but it's like a really refreshing vegetable cooked down. And
it's like celery.
Yep. Brian will also snack on this, and wonderful thing is if I don't use it, I just cut it up and freeze it as well, and I make lots of soups and stuff, so I'll use that. And then, oh, they gave us 2 spaghetti squash this time. Oh.
Man, those are big.
I know. Last time we only got 1.
Man, that's massive.
I know. Look at all these vegetables. This is a Savoy cabbage. I'm really in a cabbage kick right now. It goes with everything, goes in everything, adds a little crunch. But everything's so beautiful. And we get another fennel. Another one, a little bit smaller. And then we get like a beetroot or something, celery root. It's something different. I thought that we could.
I don't know what the heck that is, but
yeah. And then tons of apples, and then there's another celery root thing. And I already have my fridge ready, mostly for these. So that's what I always do on my Monday, which we'll do a day in the life soon. Gotta have some potatoes.
yeah. I don't know. No comment.
Brian doesn't have a comment. I still have sweet potatoes left over for him. More of this. Lots of zucchini, man. And then one more apple.
Then
Carrots. And then I did have an add-on. So it's $1.99 added on. But it's just
some
pancake mix.
mix. Yep.
Yeah. So, yeah, that was our box. This is what we're going to be eating on for the next 2 weeks.
It's a lot of healthiness, man. It's overwhelming.
Brian's getting used to having so many vegetables in every meal.
I don't know if I'm used to it yet.
I know he feels better, though.
Meh.
But this is one of my new favorite things. I really enjoy getting the box and picking out what I get. Although next time I may do a mystery box. So if we do that, I'll show you what we get. And through the week, I will show you some stuff that I make with the vegetables because I'm doing vegan at lunchtime every day.
Meh.
Well, if you enjoy this unboxing video, go ahead and give us a like, comment, and please subscribe. Join our exploring family, and there's so much more that we have coming up. And if you want to follow us on our socials, they are in the description box below. But thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for watching, y'all.